Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube episode. And I know I haven't been making any episodes in a while. I've just been very busy. But anyways, today's episode is of the unboxing of the ASAKUKI 700 milliliters Japanese oil diffuser humidifier 5-in-1 ultrasonic aromatherapy. Apparently, that I've seen this on YouTube videos where people that go to live in Japan, you know, and they show locals and stuff, and the locals in Japan, they have this, you know, humidifier oil diffuser 5-in-1. And, you know, I was looking at I would pause the YouTube videos and I was looking and I was like, oh, I was looking, it was a company, and I was like, whoa. You know, ASAKUKI, if I'm pronouncing it right. A lot of people on YouTube, when they unbox this, they say ASAKUKI. It's funny, but it's ASAKUKI. Chinese, or kind of know how to pronounce Asian words like that. Yeah. Anyways, let's get with the unboxing. Anyways, here it is, guys. For a better life, ASAKUKI with the Japanese name on it or something. See all the features it does. Get this card. It says, I guess it's like a review thing. I'll read that later. Here's the instructions manual. Here's all the oil diffusers to help you good night's sleep, good mood, and all the types of things to make you feel better. And yeah. Ooh, I love the smell of brand new plastic. But this is actually made out of bamboo on the side here, supposedly. Here's the power cord, power adapter with the get inside this measuring cup. Tells you, well, the measuring cup only goes up to 150 milliliters, so I guess you keep on filling up the cup until you reach 700 milliliters, because it says drain max right there. And you got your settings. This thing lights up too. But yeah, as you can see, here's where you connect the adapter. And yeah, guys, that's everything it comes with. And that was the unboxing of the Japanese Aromatherapy Air Diffuser Oil Essentials Ultrasonic. The Japanese use it over there in Japan, so I decided to check it out and buy it. And yeah, you just put a couple of drops, maybe like one drop or two, and it goes and it makes your room smell good, and it makes you sleep better, and it's healthy for you. So go get yourself an ASAKUKI. And here it is, guys, how it lights up. You could press this button right here if you want it on one, choose your solid color, you know, but it's rotating on different colors, which I like that. And then over here is your timer. No, this is your timer right here. And this is if you want the diffuser to throw mist out strong or weak. And see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching the episode. See you next time.